Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Opinions Matter, and today we are going to do unboxing of a brand new drone. Before we do the unboxing, I just want to say a quick shout out to everybody who supported me to grow my own channel to not one, not two, not three, but 500 subscribers and more. As of right now, real time, I'm sitting at 883 subscribers. So thank you everybody who supported my channel, who liked my story about the DJI Care Fresh, and I just want to say thank you all for all the love and let me grow my channel. As you know that in this channel we do not buy products or rent products from somewhere. I usually buy it myself, test it myself, and then give my honest opinions about each and every product. And for the first time in the channel, if you have seen my other unboxing, today we are going to unbox a brand new drone. Yes, this is the Mavic Air. We are going to unbox the Mavic Air and we are going to see what is there inside this box. Now the Mavic Air actually is very interesting because I didn't buy the Fly More combo because, as you guys know, I have a Phantom, I have a Spark, I have Wingsland, I have Zerotech Dobie, so I have like 5-6 drones. I just bought this just to do an unboxing for you guys because tomorrow, guess what is happening? Tomorrow we are going to do a unique flight, and something very exciting is coming up for the first time ever in the channel of me and Razikid TV Reviews. We are partnering up and we are planning for the first time ever. We are going to do Drone Symphony. Now, what is Drone Symphony? Drone Symphony is going to be explained once it's shot and once it's released on YouTube. Okay guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to do a perfect unboxing of my Mavic Air. Now, with my Mavic Air, I actually bought 2 more batteries because I didn't buy the Fly More combo. The Fly More combo actually has got 3 batteries in it, and it has a charging cradle, a bag and everything. But since I've already invested in so much of other drone equipments, I thought of not buying it. So we'll open this. So these batteries are just to show you that because the Mavic Air has a 21 minutes of flight time, and I usually fly around 10, 15 or round about 1 hour. So that is the reason I had went and bought these 2 extra batteries. Now let's go and unbox the DJI. Okay, so as you know that we are a little bit interested in the unboxing, so we will unbox this. Here is Mr. Scissor. Say hello to my Scissor. Mr. Scissor is going to take this apart. There we go. I bought the Arctic White edition. There is red and Onyx Black available. Now, why I did buy the Arctic White, color, I will explain to you at the end of the video that why the white color is important, and I will show you why it is. So let's go and unbox this. Wow, like out of the box, you're going to get this nice little bag. I'm pretty sure this is the drone bag, so we'll just open this later on. And what else do we have out here? And inside it, let's keep this aside. So the controller is in a small box, as you can see. Very compact controller. Where are the joysticks? Well, we'll explain to that also. Silica gel. I love silica gel. Keep your stuff dry, equipment dry. And another small box. So basically when you get yeah, that's pretty much it. And I think there is a manual somewhere. Nope. That's it. There is nothing inside the box, so that's what you get. I'll keep the box separate. Okay. So inside the box, you'll find all of these stuff. Okay, so let's begin one by one. We'll talk about the drone a little bit later. Let's take Mr. Scissor out of the scenario. Okay, now let's go and open this box. So inside this box, well, you will find propeller guards. That's good. Propellers are really advised for beginners. So if you are starting out, should do use propellers. Otherwise, I don't use propellers only because it actually does not give a lot of stability to the Mavic Air. They add an extra weight and you see a significant change in battery life. If you have entered into an intermediate level, I would not recommend you guys to put propellers on the Mavic. So we keep the propellers aside. And props, you need props. I mean, like, I've crashed my like so many times I've crashed this that I need the propellers. So that's good. DJI Care refresh, read the whole story that why do you need to get DJI Care refresh in my channel. That is the reason you need to see that you need to get a DJI Care refresh, because I crashed my Phantom like in a stupid way. So if you don't want to crash your like Mavic Air, or you crash it by mistake, do get the DJI Care refresh. Highly recommended. And a bunch of manuals. Yep, a bunch of manuals. Yes, so you get all of these manuals, safety guidelines and everything inside it. So we'll keep that separate again. And that's it. There is nothing inside this box. Let's open up the second box. Okay, I'm pretty sure what is this box all about. So good thing, which I was very worried about, that they will not include a charger, but they have included the charger. Now let's see if they include the battery cradle or not, because the battery cradle is included in the like the combo pack. So you get a USB to USB-C cable. I think the USB-C cable is used to charge the drone also, so we'll check that out. I do not know. I have not opened it yet. Very important thing are these two cables. I'll open this up and I'll show you guys. So no more OTG cables, no more problem of OTG cable setup or anything. They now include USB-C to micro USB, and they include micro USB to micro USB. But my question is, where is the iPhone one? What the heck? They should include an iPhone one. I think the iPhone one is built in, so let's go and check that also. So we'll keep this apart. This is just this thing, extra props. That's it. Now let's go ahead and open the drone. Okay, now it is the time to open this drone up and see. So first of all, you get a bag like this. So it's very nice that you can keep some extra batteries, or if you want, I think you can store the like the controller. I think you can pop the controller in like this in the bag. That's what I think. I do not know for sure, but maybe it will fit like this. So your controller and stuff should look like this, but I will not keep it like this. I'll just keep it like a regular way. On this side, you will see there is a Wi-Fi password and everything. I don't know whether you can see, it's too yeah. So Wi-Fi password and everything is out here. So make sure you are not turning, like throwing this away or anything. Let's open this up. There is the beautiful drone. Look how beautiful it looks. Let's take this out. Dang, this looks beautiful. Wow. Look at this. There are bottom sensors. Wow. Oh, wow. It looks beautiful. Okay. So the instructions is out here. So this one actually comes out like this. The back one. The front one actually comes out like this. And the side ones also comes out like this. Okay, that one and the side ones. So that's your full Mavic Air. That's how it looks. Isn't this beautiful? This is a beautiful looking drone. Compact, portable. I think it's got all the oomph that it needs to be one of the best drones. But we're not going to judge this by the looks. We are going to test this out, because I am hearing that this guy is facing a lot of interference, signal interference. So we'll check that out. That will be on our second vlog. And what are these? Well, these are its legs. So you have to extend these legs like this. This is also your Wi-Fi signals. So these are like Wi-Fi towers and everything where the signal actually hits. This is a gimbal cover. So I always wanted the gimbal cover in my Spark. My Spark doesn't have a gimbal cover. So what you do is that you just pop it out like this and take it out. So that's how it looks with the gimbal cover. Now let's put this back, and this is your battery. You just take it out. So they give you one battery in the regular version, and in the combo version you're going to get 3 extra batteries, but I bought the regular one, so that's the reason I got the combo. I got the only one. So now let's go ahead and check the controller. Okay guys, we completely forgot about the controller. Something happened to my video in my DSLR. So this is how the controller looks, and inside it you'll find these 2 places for joystick. So basically what you can do is that you can take the joystick off of the remote for the first time, so that it's more pocketable. So what you do is that you screw this on the top, and there you go. That's your joystick. You also are provided with 2 extra joysticks. Now the position of the antenna is supposed to be like this, but I've seen a lot of operators are operating it like this when you are going on the top. So when you are going a little bit higher, you can keep it like this. Like if you're going straight up, you can keep it like this also. So that's what a lot of guidelines are showing. Even the manuals of Dji MAVIC is showing this. From the side you will see that is the place where you can change the OTG cable at. So this is your charging port, this is your charging port, and this is also your OTG cable setup port. And that is pretty much it from the antenna. And scroll wheel is out here, record button is out here, photo button is out here, and that is your custom button. So that's how the stuff looks. And if you fold this all the way, okay, so if you fold it all the way, this one actually looks like this. So pretty insanely portable kind of a controller. I think you can put this in your pocket, and that's pretty much it. You can start and stop from this one also, and return to home is out here. Remember, the controller turns on again. I'll show you once, twice. That's how it turns on. Okay, so that's pretty much it. The camera on this is a 12 megapixel camera, but the Mavic Air for the first time introduces something called a sphero mode, which means that it actually takes off and take multiple panorama. Now the thing is that the last update of my Spark messed up my Spark a little bit, to be very frank. I am not able to find a lot of intelligent modes which were hidden in the Spark. I can only see palm control and gesture control. I do not see the droney modes and stuff like that. I do not know what happened to that. I will actually look into it for another time. But 12 megapixel camera, 3-axis gimbal. I think 3-axis, yeah, it's 3-axis gimbal. You've got 2 sensors in the front. You have a vision positioning sensor at the bottom. You've got sensors at the bottom, and for the first time sensors at the back. Now I wanted to buy this one because my Spark was in a situation where I'd lost the signal, and like I had to fly backwards, but I was very scared about that stuff, like to fly backwards. So that's it, guys, from the channel Opinions Matter. This is your host Das, and we just did an unboxing of our DJI Mavic Air.